never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm currently about to start my workout. I like to walk in the beginning like a little bit to get kind of warmed up, and I am going to bust my butt and run today and sweat my butt off. I don't know, I woke up feeling so motivated to like just sweat all of this water weight off. I feel like I'm just retaining so much water right now. So I don't know, I'm just feeling really motivated. So that is what I'm gonna go do, work out a ton this morning. And then yeah, today's a day in the life vlog. I don't know what else we've got planned. I'm sure some food, good food. And yeah, normal day in the life of a mom. Little girl's chilling in the stroller. I'm gonna pop some music on and get myself going. That was such a good run. I am sweating so much right now, but I'm starving. So I feel like I'm too weak to finish my workout right now. So I'm gonna make myself some food. I have like avocado toast that I've been wanting to make.
And I'll give it to Mom.
You're gonna have some too. So I'm gonna have some avocado toast, and then I'll continue my workout like a little bit later once my food is digested. But I just needed something right now, and I just really wanted to go for a run before it got, I mean, too hot. It's not even gonna be that hot. It's gonna be like 80 today, but I feel so good and accomplished that I got that done. I've just been feeling like I've been just retaining so much water lately, and I mean, it's that time of the month for me anyway, so I just really want to sweat it out, but I feel so good. You know how like sometimes you're just not motivated to work out, and other times you just, I don't know, you want to like sweat and you feel good and motivated. Anyway, making myself some avocado toast now. It is great apple juice.
Apple juice?
It's got a lot of different flavors. Mama gave Sydney some juice because she is overheating already. She like gets hot and cold so fast. I'm gonna eat this outside. I'm so hungry.
Yummy ramen in time.
Yeah.
Yummy.
Is this so good?
So good.
I'm totally gonna eat this on the front step. I made myself 2 eggs this time because Sydney usually steals some of my food, so. Although they're not completely cooked yolks, so I don't know.
Eggs.
Yeah, eggs. And this little miss eats lemon for fun, don't you? It's like a good snack.
Well, let's read the 1 minute for wait, okay, Mama?
Okay, honey, it's because I know. Because she wants this.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down.
So after eating my avocado toast, I decided I wanted some an energy drink. I really wanted an iced coffee, and I didn't have any. You can probably hear my car squeaking. It's just the belt because it got wet. I didn't have any iced coffee made at my house, so I figured I would just run down the road to Aroma Joe's and grab myself. I'm gonna get a Rush sugar-free energy drink. Sometimes I crave them. I like the beach. Some of you who know Rush or who know Aroma Joe's, you always ask what I get. I get the Beach Bum sugar-free Rush. The blue one?
Yes.
Sometimes I get a Rocket Pop one, but not today. I want a beachy flavors. It's like coconut, peach, mango. I think those are the flavors. So good, but I wanted a little energy boost. And then we're gonna head back home and play a bunch.
Let's go to a store, Mama.
We can't go to stores, babe. They're not open. Yeah. So I happen to live in a county that is not open. There's some restaurants in like every other county besides 3 of them that are open for dine-in only, and they were supposed to open June 1st. But then our governor decided yesterday, no, they're not open. That our governor decided yesterday, like 4 days before they were supposed to open for dine-in service, that wasn't gonna happen. There's a lot of states that are still like Maine, and then there's other states that are open too. So just kind of, I don't know, sharing with you what our state's like right now. So I got myself a sugar-free energy drink, beach bum flavor. It's like a tropical-y peach, mango, coconut. No, honey, you actually just had your special juice, remember? So this is Mama's special juice. Yours gives you energy and mine gives me energy. Now we're gonna head back home. I live like 2 minutes away from this room of Joe's, and I was like, yeah, let's just go.
Don't you tell me I ain't no fun. Just tell me you love me like I love you. You know.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down.
Okay, so we're gonna try for a nap because the little girl is tired. I know, you're tired. Let's go take a nap, okay, Peanut? And then we can play and have so much fun after. Crossing my fingers for a nap because we've needed one for so long. I think today's the day. I gotta get a fan for Sydney's room.
I still want a black fan, Mama.
Oh, it's in storage.
It's in storage, Mama.
Yeah.
Next time you'll clean it and then we'll put it in the sun.
Okay, Mama loves you. You have a good nap, okay? You don't have to wear your covers if you're hot. If you want to wear them, you can, but if you're hot, you don't have to.
Okay.
I have a feeling you're going to be hot because I don't have the AC on.
My baby, Mama.
Okay. You feel the air?
Yes.
Does it feel okay?
Yes, I can feel okay.
Okay. It's on your body?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, have a good nap. I love you. So, well, you totally can't see her because of the sun, but I hope she falls asleep. The poor kid wasn't happy doing anything. She wasn't happy playing with anything, doing anything. She was just emotional and miserable. So I am praying that she actually falls asleep and wakes up happy. And while she does that, I have to do some work, answer emails, and do some things like that. And then, I don't know, possibly, I really should shower, but I'm not going to. Maybe I'll work out a little bit more in my backyard.
Keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the
Babe, you took a nap. I'm so happy. Are you happy? Hello? Are you happy you took a nap? Yes. I am so proud of you for sleeping. How do you feel? You still probably need to wake up. Sydney's having, I don't know what it is really. Oh, I need to get a napkin, like a berry applesauce or something. That's was part of the groceries that my neighbor dropped off. Is it good? I forgot to take your pigtails out and everything. Aw, you must have been so tired. Now we are outside with the rest of our pretzels that we had and some hummus. Little girl woke up starving from her nap. She really didn't have like a formal lunch. She had a bunch of snacks, but now we're having more snacks because I'm going to be making dinner in like an hour.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and that beat is hypnotizing. Oh, no, we run the show. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Got to live or we get too old. Come on, shine, shine a little tonight. Let's get louder, come on, lose control. Ain't no limit when we go for gold. We can shine, shine a little tonight. Shine a little tonight. Shine a little
Okay, dinner is served. We are sitting here eating some quinoa bowls. So yummy. Little girl, I think she's still gonna go to bed early today. And honestly, I have a feeling that she's gonna sleep later tomorrow morning because she got that nap in. It's sleep, what is it? Sleep begets. The more sleep you get, the whatever, I can't speak. Is that yummy?
Why isn't the seat, Mama?
I'm saying because you took the nap, you're rested, so you're gonna actually sleep better tonight. I mean, she's been sleeping well at night. She just wakes up early when she's overtired. She wakes up like an hour, 45 minutes early.
This, Mama. This box is too sugary.
It's too sugary. It's summer squash and quinoa.
This one?
The yellow is the summer squash and all the stuff on it is quinoa. Eat it.
And what's this?
Zucchini.
But the zucchini is too really sour for me to eat.
It's sour?
It's sour because I want to read the lesson to your Mama.
Oh, okay. I did not intend to be a scrub my whole video. I intended on like getting dressed and showering and getting ready, but that's what happened.
It's pieces. Red!
There's one.
So I have to look now. No. Red!
There.
Red. So what's this face?
Okay, let's build his face.
I want him.
Okay.
So what's up with the...
Make room.
Did this one bounce where here?
Good girl. Dang, where's the other one go?
I'm learning how to do puzzles.
You are doing so good. Good girl. You You just did that perfectly. That was a perfect Z, honey. Good job.
Another one?
Yeah, of course you can. Good job. Now we are doing some tracing activities, just some educational things, I guess, before bed, since all we've been doing lately is just playing outside mindlessly, which is, you know, really good for them too, but we need to fit a couple of these things in.
This one before these ones.
The W? You're gonna trace the W?
Oh, no, I want another color.